Hi there guys, Supercarbaldie here. First time using my little home studio. But what I'm here for is, what has this got to do with what I'm about to unbox? I took a trip, and it's a small plug for GPX down in Dubai Autodrome. And they're not paying me for this at all, and being the Senna lover that I am, I got myself these. What these are, let's have a look. There's a nice pair of -273 leather driving gloves. Now those that know me know that in most cases I'm normally wearing a pair of driving gloves in my car. Keeps the car clean, the oil's off of the steering wheel. But these are a nice, beautiful pair of -273 gloves with a signature, turn it around enough, signature, put it onto the thumb, and in this case this is a black. There is available white leather as well, but I'm loving this box. All in his colours, the usual Senna helmet colours. But what we're here to look at, more so than the box, and the box will end up on my shelf, is these lovely gloves, and I'm hoping that they are a perfect fit. I've measured my hands, and always measure hands for these sort of gloves, because sometimes you find that they are a little bit too tight. Perfect fit. Okay, it feels good. They feel nice and tight. It almost feels like a second skin, to be honest. The leather is very soft. I love this outside stitching. It's just like the race gloves that we get, and gloves that I have myself. This is quite a nice stitching. It looks like a very strong stitching. It's not overstretching or anything in any place. It suits my hand anyway, which is a good thing, because these are going to be used on a daily basis. I don't keep all of these on the shelf all the time. So no, I'm impressed. So yes, if you want to get a pair of gloves like this, and hopefully they've still got some, this is GPX store down in Dubai Autodrome.